In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Printful order. Whether you're fulfilling your own designs or checking on a customer's purchase, knowing exactly where to look for order details makes everything smoother. The good news is, Printful keeps all of this in one clear place, so you can get a quick status update without digging around. Start by opening the Printful website in your browser. This is your hub for everything related to your store and fulfillment. Once the site loads, you'll see navigation that leads to your main dashboard. From there, the area you want is called Orders. It's typically easy to spot in the main menu. Go ahead and click on Orders to open your order list. The Orders page is where every order associated with your account appears. Think of it as your command center. You'll usually see a table with each order listed on its own line. Common details shown include the order number, the date it was created, the recipient or destination, the fulfillment status, and the total amount. This is also the place where shipment information and tracking details will appear once an order has progressed to the shipping stage. The statuses are straightforward. You might see something like draft or pending at the start, in progress as items are being prepared, fulfilled once everything is completed and shipped, and canceled if an order was stopped. If you haven't placed or received any orders yet, this page can look a little bare. That's perfectly normal. You may see a message letting you know there are no orders to display right now, or simply an empty list. When you eventually do have orders, they'll automatically show up here. When orders start coming in, you'll be able to glance at this list and quickly understand what's happening. Orders marked as in progress mean fulfillment is underway. Once an order is fulfilled and shipped, this is where the carrier and tracking information will show up, along with timestamps and other details that help you estimate delivery. If you manage multiple stores or integrations, remember that the orders view reflects the selection you're currently working with, so the list you see is specific to that context. If something seems missing, give it a moment. New orders and updates can take a bit to appear. You'll often get email notifications for major changes, but the orders page remains the single source of truth for status and tracking. That's all there is to it. Open the Printful website, click on Orders, and review what appears. Once your orders start rolling in, this page will give you everything you need to track them from creation to delivery.